Okay, so we have the integral of the square root of 5 minus x times x minus 1 dx. So I'm going to do it by substitution. I'm going to get u equals to 5 minus x. So du dx is minus 1. So du is minus dx. So minus du is dx. That way I can swap out this dx for a negative du when I need it. Now, if u is equal to 5 minus x, I need to be able to express x minus 1 in terms of u. So first thing is I'll make my x positive, so multiplying both sides by minus 1. Minus u is equal to x minus 5. And then I want, on the right hand side, I want to have x minus 1. So I'll need to add 4. But if I add 4 to the right, I have to add it to the left. So minus u plus 4 is x minus 1. So I can swap out my x minus 1 for minus u plus 4. I can swap out my 5 minus x for u. And I can swap out my dx for negative du. So I rewrite my equation. And I'm going to pop my negative out in front until the very end. So the square root of u is u to the power of a half. So multiplying in, so remember this u here is u to the power of 1, or 9 minus u to the power of 1. So when I multiply my half in, remember we add our powers. So a half plus 1, 3 over 2. U to the power of a half by 4, 4 times u to the power of a half. And at the end I have my du. So now we integrate. So to integrate, just raise the power by 1 and divide by the new power. So 3 over 2 plus 1 is 5 over 2, divide by the new power. A half plus 1 is 3, divide by the new power. Remember, to divide by a fraction, I flip it and multiply. So I'm going to multiply by 2 and divide by 5. So I get 2 times u to the power of 5 over 2 divided by 5. The same here, I'm going to multiply by the 2, so 2 4s is 8, and divide by 3. Alright, so you get your integral pretty much done. Just going to tidy up a little bit. You can sub back in now for u if you want. I just went and I got a common denominator. You don't really need to, I suppose. Just to tidy it up, giving me my 15. And then I just brought my minus back inside, so I get a positive 6 and a negative 40. No, don't forget your plus c at the very, very end. Double check everything just to make sure I didn't make any silly sign errors.